Welcome to Kusum.net. This is ASP.NET MVC tutorial and you are watching part 75 require HTTP's attribute in MVC. Okay, so require HTTP's attribute in MVC you will learn in this session. Before watching this video, please watch my part 72, part 73 and part 74. In part 72, I was explained about handle error attribute, part 73 output catch attribute, and in part 74 I was explained about catch profiles in MVC. So please watch these previous parts before watching this video. So let's start. This require HTTP attribute in MVC forces an unsecured HTTP request to be sent over HTTPs. Okay, means this attribute require HTTPs. If I use on the any method of the controller, then it will it will force only for HTTPs. Means it will open the methods on only HTTPs. If your browser will open this method with require HTTP only, then it will not display the methods data. Okay, so require HTTP attribute can be applied on a controller as well. In this case, it is applicable for all action methods within that controller. Sensitive data such as login credentials, credit card information, etc. must always be transmitted using HTTP's information transmitted over HTTP's encrypted. Means once you declare it on the controller, then you can use it for all the methods of that controller, right? So now let's see, we create some method inside of the MVC application. Let's flip to the Visual Studio and gonna check how to do it. Okay, this is my MVC application and I am using now this controller named output catch controller. Okay, inside of that I have created this login method and in place of action result I have used string. Okay, and return that string. Okay, but I have used this require HTTP's attribute here. Okay, so let's run the project and see. Output catch slash index, right? Oh no, it's named method where we declare the HTTPS is login. So login, controller name and index name. Okay, this error show. Why? Because we have used here HTTP. Let's run it. Wait. If I use HTTP, then it displays this error. The required resource is not found. Okay, right? So why? Because we have used HTTPs and we are loading this method on HTTP on the browser. Okay, so this displays the 404 error, and if we check it in Postman application, let's gonna go there. This is my Postman application and let's run this. On Postman, you can see here HTTP I have used here. Okay, and send this detail. Okay, so there is this error. Okay, it shows the error. Which error? This HTTP localhost 54211 HTTP index means it doesn't overload on HTTPs on HTTP, so it displays the error. Okay, this is the end of my session. So you can understand, if we use HTTP's attribute, then it doesn't open on HTTP attribute. It requires on the browser HTTP's. Okay, if you don't use HTTP's, then it will display the error. And this HTTP's why use? Because the secured information like ATM card data or any financial transactions doesn't load without any secure level. Okay, HTTPS gives us secure level. It will encrypt the data, so anybody cannot show, only the whatever the user of particular user can only be show using that secure socket layer. Okay, and this HTTP layer cannot solve the security measures. Okay, so we require HTTPs. So this is my end of session. Thank you for listening my video. Have a great day. If you like this video, please like it, share it, subscribe it. Thank you. Have a great day.